This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has once again declared states of emergency in several parishes. In a press briefing on Tuesday, Holness stated that SOEs will now be in effect in St. Anne, Clarendon, St. Catherine, and specified areas of Kingston and St. Andrew. St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover are also under states of emergency. 2 men were fatally shot during a joint police-military operation in Belfield, Manchester on Tuesday morning. A gun was also seized. Preliminary reports are that about 6 a.m., the police, acting on information, went to a house in the community. On arrival, 1 man ran with a firearm. Another man pulled his gun at the police. The lawmen took evasive action. 2 of the men were shot and taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. The 3rd man escaped. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the incident. A man has been hospitalized after he was shot during a confrontation with the police following a bizarre series of events which unfolded in Mandeville on Monday. Reports are that about 2 p.m., the man, who is believed to be of unsound mind, removed a clamp from a vehicle that was parked in a no parking zone. A team of municipal police, responsible for clamping vehicles, chased the man to a parking lot. It is reported that the man, armed with a knife, attacked both the police and the civilians. A video, which has since gone viral on social media, shows the man holding stones and resisting to comply with the police before being shot in the foot. He was taken to hospital where he has been admitted for treatment. And in entertainment, dancehall artist Skillibeng will join his RCA label mate Chris Brown for the European leg of his Under the Influence tour. Brown made the announcement on Tuesday in a post on Instagram. The tour will kick off on February 12 in Dublin, Ireland, and will end on March 6 in Amsterdam. And in World Cup news, Morocco advanced to the World Cup quarterfinals for the first time, beating Spain 3-0 in a penalty shootout on Tuesday. The teams drew 0-0 in regulation and extra time. Morocco is the only team from outside Europe or South America to make it to the last 8. It is the only Arab and African nation left in the tournament. With Cristiano Ronaldo on the bench, the superstar striker's replacement scored a hat-trick to lead Portugal over Switzerland 6-1 and into the World Cup quarterfinals on Tuesday. Ronaldo entered as a substitute in the 72nd minute to loud cheers, though Portugal had the game wrapped up by then. Portugal advanced to the quarterfinals for the 3rd time after 1966 and 2006 and will play Morocco on Saturday. Portugal coach Fernando Santos now has to decide whether to stick with Ramos or restore Ronaldo, the top scorer in men's international soccer and one of the game's greatest ever players. That has been the ORAP. Check out these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.